Two VPN giants, two big promises. ExpressVPN versus IPVanish. Which one really delivers? On the left, ExpressVPN, lightning-fast privacy and streaming powerhouse. On the right, IPVanish, affordable and unlimited connections for everyone. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The results might not be what you expect.
Let me map out exactly what we're comparing. We've got price, privacy and security, speed, streaming and torrenting, features and app usability, connections and coverage, and of course, customer support. Each of these totally matters. So let's jump one by one. Okay, let's kick off with price. ExpressVPN has those flexible plans, which is nice and all, but I have to say, it's honestly one of the priciest choices out there. Like, your wallet might feel it a bit unless you catch a rare promo. Now, IPVanish, on the other hand, super affordable right out the gate, and it's almost always on sale if you keep an eye out. The catch? You get a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is good, but not mind-blowing. So for price, yeah, IPVanish just kinda wipes the floor here. Next up, privacy and security. ExpressVPN is actually based out in the British Virgin Islands, which is like privacy paradise. It's gone through third-party audits with KPMG back in 2023, so you know those no-logs promises aren't just marketing fluff. Plus, all their servers run RAM only, so nothing sticks around. Oh, and they have their own lightweight protocol along with all the classics. My only gripe is, split tunneling isn't ready yet if you're a Mac diehard. IPVanish? It's got a solid, recent no-logs audit and all the gold standard encryption stuff. There's perfect forward secrecy, which is cool, but it's based in the US. Yeah, Five Eyes territory. And let's not forget there were some shaky logging controversies in the past. So, for privacy and security, yeah, ExpressVPN pulls ahead easily. Speed is where things get a little interesting. ExpressVPN with Lightway, honestly, it does really well for most folks. Low latency all around. But if we pull up the numbers from 2025, IPVanish actually edges out ahead in average download speed, which is kind of wild, right? They just straight up delivered faster test results, minus a few drops in like niche WireGuard configurations. So this round, IPVanish takes it, but not by a mile. Oh, and here's something cool. ExpressVPN was the first major VPN to totally go RAM only with their server network. That means nothing sticks around after reboot, which is crazy good news for privacy nerds. Streaming and torrenting. This is the deal breaker for a lot of us. ExpressVPN is just a beast here. Netflix, Hulu, BBC iPlayer, you name it. It gets in everywhere, with thousands of servers in over 100 countries. If global content is your thing, it just works. IPVanish can handle some streaming platforms, and it's all right for torrenting or P2P, but major streamers, it's kinda hit or miss, and supports fewer server countries. Zero suspense here, ExpressVPN is totally the champ for streaming and torrenting. Let's talk features and how the apps actually feel to use. ExpressVPN is just smooth. Sleek apps, super clear interface, and you get goodies like split tunneling, a kill switch, tracker and ad blocker, even the option to pay with Bitcoin if you're all about privacy. Oh, and it plugs right into routers, which is sort of pro-level wizardry. Not every feature lands on every device, but still, pretty awesome. IPVanish? The setup is easy. Probably simpler for some folks, and you get unlimited device connections with one account, which is rare. Thing is, split tunneling's only for Android and Fire OS, so you miss out elsewhere, and there aren't as many advanced privacy toys. All in, ExpressVPN just feels more feature-rich and polished. Connections and coverage time. ExpressVPN brings this wild global presence. Over 3,000 servers in more than 105 countries. You rarely find something it can't connect to. IPVanish has a decent spread, 2,400 servers, and, to their credit, unlimited device logins. But they don't quite hit the same global reach. For world travelers or anyone who wants that massive country list, ExpressVPN's clearly got it in the bag. And last up, customer support. Honestly, both brands crush it here. You get 24/7 live chat with actual helpful humans, detailed help centers, and quick replies. IPVanish matches with fast email support too. So
in this rare case, yeah, it's a straight-up tie for support. No drama. Quick glance at the radar chart. IPVanish spikes for price and speed, but ExpressVPN? It dominates in privacy, streaming, features, and coverage. Super visual way to spot which strengths matter to you.
So, bottom line, if you care most about binge watching, like everywhere, bulletproof privacy, or you want that massive network, ExpressVPN honestly wins big, especially if you're a bit of a privacy nut or live abroad. But if you're after serious savings and unlimited device freedom, IPVanish is the sneaky good value here. Found this VPN face-off useful? If you did, go ahead and bookmark it, or drop it to a friend who's looking to level up their online privacy. More reviews coming soon. Catch you next time.